Well, hello there, and good evening, everyone. I'm William Brantley from the North Jackson, Tennessee area on Walker Road at the University Village Apartments, about a mile north of Union University, getting ready to share with you today's climate summary and give you a forecast for the next few days here in a little bit. It turned out to be a very beautiful day today, a little on the warm side, but not super hot, and it's still very pleasant out there. We have a cold front that's going to move through around sunrise tomorrow morning. It's going to keep the temperatures about the same, but bring in some drier air. So we're going to dry out for a few days, and more details on that coming. I guess I'll go ahead and give you today's weather. Climate summary and take it from there. As of 5 p.m. here in North Jackson, the skies were partly cloudy. The temperature was 89 degrees at that time. It felt like our heat index was 96 degrees. The dew point was 72 degrees. The relative humidity was 57%. The wind was out of the west at 6 miles per hour, and the barometric pressure was at 29.98 inches of mercury. Today's low temperature was 73 degrees. Today's high made it up to 92 degrees. And incidentally, the heat index, or feels like temperature, made it up to 99 degrees today at 4 p.m. But the actual high was 92 degrees. We had no rainfall here in North Jackson today. I'm up to 1.52 inches for the month of July and up to 29.90 inches for the year so far. The lowest relative humidity today was 57%, and that was at 5 p.m. The highest was 100% at midnight, 12 a.m. through 8 a.m. this morning. And by the way, the lowest visibility this morning recorded at the Jackson, Tennessee airport was a quarter of a mile at about 7 a.m. this morning due to the dense fog that we had in parts of West Tennessee. The lowest barometric pressure today was 29.98 inches of mercury, and that occurred at 5 p.m. The highest was 30.09 inches, and that occurred at 10 and 11 a.m. this morning. Today's highest wind gust at the Jackson, Tennessee airport was at 12 miles per hour, kind of a light wind in a way, especially for the maximum. And it came out of the west at 4:12 p.m. Today's records for July the 7th, hottest high would be 102. Cooled off a little bit from yesterday's 108, 102 degrees in 1980 was today's hottest high. Coolest high would be 78 in 1967. And the warmest low would be 79 just last year, 2016. Oh, it was a mighty warm morning 1 year ago today. 79 degrees in 2016 for the warmest low. Coldest low would be 54 in 1972. And today's rainfall record would be 2.16 inches in 1953. Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and read you the forecast for the next few days and then go through the maps as normal. And I guess that'd be it for tonight's weather video. By the way, the sun sets tonight at 8:14 p.m., rises tomorrow morning at 5:47 a.m. The moon will be rising this evening at 7:03 p.m. and be setting tomorrow morning at 4:39 a.m. and rising tomorrow evening at 7:51 p.m. It's going to be mostly clear for the rest of tonight, of course. and just about all of tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, about the timing when that cold front moves through, there is a 30% chance of an isolated shower developing as the front moves through. Roughly between 4 a.m. to 7 a.m. is the timing expected right now. Not everybody's going to get rain out of this. It's just going to be very isolated, 30% chance. Knowing our luck, it'll be right over Jackson. A little joke there about that. But we'll see. But it won't last long. After about 7, 8 o'clock at the latest, the sky should return to be mostly fair, just in case it does rain for the rest of rest of Saturday. The low should be about 72 degrees tomorrow morning. Tomorrow's high should be about 92, so that part remains about the same. We'll have north winds tomorrow at 10 to 20 miles per hour instead of south winds or west winds. Be out of the north. And on Sunday, looks like it's going to be continued mostly fair with a low near 66 and high of 91 with east winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And speaking of mostly fair skies, it's going to continue all next week just about. Mostly clear skies for the most part, all the way through Saturday of next weekend. How about that? With high lows generally in the upper 60s to lower 70s, and highs in the lower 90s, just about every day. Lower 90s. The winds are going to average 10 to 20 miles per hour each day. The direction may change either from the south or the southwest or the west each of those days. The next chance for rain is next Friday. Barely a chance there. There'll be a 20% chance of an isolated afternoon shower next Friday, July 14th. And then the chance after that, generally fair that day though, then the chance after that's going to be Sunday week, the 16th, when it's going to be very cloudy with a 40% chance of some showers and thunderstorms during the morning hours, becoming fair by that Sunday afternoon. So there's not a 60% chance or higher of rain for at least the next 9 or 10 days. So it looks like we got some pretty good, decent weather coming our way for the next several days. Well, alrighty. Let me move on to the frontal map system, and I'll go ahead and show that one to you. I'll have to turn the camera around, of course, so you can see it too. So hold on. And it's courtesy of Weather Underground, of course. Right now, Tennessee is clear, precipitation-wise. There's a few little spotty showers to our south, as you can see. There's that cold front to our northwest up near St. Louis. It's going to be moving through around daybreak tomorrow morning. Got some pretty good storms up there around Cincinnati, Ohio, and those locations, but they're moving southeast. They may tag East Tennessee tomorrow morning if they don't dissipate overnight. Here's a little look around the area around us. Florida's in pretty good shape. I know several family members, excluding me, that's down in the Panhandle of Florida on vacation, primarily down around the Panama City area. The weather looks great down there. It's raining to their north, but right now nothing in the immediate area of Panama. And there's scattered showers to south and southwest of us. Some more to our north, but courtesy of that frontal system there. But really not a whole lot going on around us. Not in the immediate future anyways. Alrighty. And then moving on to the other satellite radar weather I like looking at. One courtesy of Channel 3 in Memphis, WREG. Nothing on it, and what in our way. Let me move it over so you see us better. Nothing in West Tennessee. We're scot-free of precipitation. Only precipitation I see is way down here in Alabama. It's moving away from us, of course. And then the ones that has me a little concerned is these up here. The ones that's forming out over there around Joplin, Missouri. And those are the storms, or the general area of storms, that might be affecting us tomorrow morning early. But they're moving southeast, it looks like, so that may take it possibly even south of Memphis as they move southeast. But it depends on just how big they form as they move. But just in case they develop large enough, I'm going to go ahead and call a chance for an isolated shower. There's some more storms up there north of West Plains, Missouri, and the west of Cape Girardeau, well west of Cape Girardeau. They seem to be moving southeast. That may be the ones in that area that tags us early tomorrow morning. So don't be too surprised. We might get not only an isolated shower, but maybe even a thunderstorm right around daybreak. That'd be our best chance if we get anything at all. Alright, let's move on to the regional satellite photo picture, courtesy of AccuWeather. As you can see, Florida is in fairly good shape. Even in the panhandles, a few clouds down there, but not too terrible. There you see the scattered showers and storms in Alabama and Georgia. Clear skies, boy, look at there. Not a cloud in the sky in Tennessee, hardly. Tennessee's clear as a bell. There's those storms that on up there in Indiana and Ohio. They're moving southeast though, so they'll be tagging the northeast corner of Tennessee possibly. And there's those clouds that's to our west or northwest up there in Missouri. That's where that cold front is, remember? And since it's moving in our direction overnight, that'd be our best threat for showers when that happens. But not until that happens, though. So we'll have to wait and see on that one. Alrighty, let me go back to the frontal map. And then I guess I'll just close it. I think that's it for tonight, my folks, my friends. I'll just leave it on Tennessee there. There you see the radar, none motion, but most of it's moving southeast as you saw a moment ago. Let me see if I can get a slightly closer view real quick with this one. There, that's a little bit better. Alrighty. There's the Tennessee there. There's those storms up there in Missouri that's maybe heading our way later on tonight. Panhandle, Florida's perfect shape. Yep, looks like Panama's in perfect shape. And most of that area of Florida, Tennessee, looks like one little shower might be over there right between Nashville and Knoxville, a little southwest of Knoxville, maybe. But other than that, everything's clear. Alright, that's it for tonight, folks. I hope all of you have a very pleasant Friday night, July the 7th, 2017. I hope you wake up to a beautiful Saturday, July the 8th, 2017. And I hope I get a chance to talk to you again tomorrow night. And until then, good night, my friends, and may God bless you.